absolutely chucking it down. Just been across to see me mum. Yeah, I think today's video might be some big kit that I saw last week. A shiny version of what Nick's got at ours. Finley. It looks like a Bandit. It says CBI on it.
Olly that mounts to the track and then
Certas brand. You tow it on an RT, when you get to site, all wheel assembly folds up round and then it lives on its tracks. They must fold vertically up there. Your hinge points. Yeah. All that like pivots, doesn't it, up? It's nifty, isn't it? And it lives on the tracks. Need a long wagon, wouldn't you? That must fold into there, and then it's got wheels at the back, hasn't it? You cherry picker. You say wherever you are in the world, you're never more than six foot away from a rat. Well, I don't think you're ever 100 meters away from a cherry picker. That's one of them cone crushers, so it spins eccentric, and then you lift that up and down to control how much it crushes. It's supposed to be like hugely efficient. There's money in mining without telling me there's money in mining, or tell me that the country's big when they're selling Piper.
let us test drive it.
Piper planes. That's what we could travel up to thinking, actually. If we're going to travel north. What's the range on it? 300 mile an hour. Max cruise speed. 700 horsepower. Takeoff distance. Takeoff is 607 meters. Landing 594.
1,206.
Range with 45 minutes reserve. 1,800 nautical miles. Wow. Wonder how much it is.
We set off now, we could be home by next week.
They landed at the airport up the road and towed it down the road with a police escort. $4.4 million US dollars.
And if you press the red button, it'll land itself.
Oh yeah, so the pilot passes out. The passengers in the back up to 6 can press a button and it'll land itself at the nearest airport and call an ambulance. Cool, isn't it? That's something you don't see every day. Someone selling planes next to someone selling mobile concrete batching plants. It's a good idea, isn't it? We found a Bomford hedge cutter made for this trackless, little articulated, self-propelled hedge cutter. It's a fair tool, isn't it? Goes quite high as well. Loads of mulches in here. Cleaning ditches and shredding stumps. Flails. Is this a saw that goes on a telehandler or something? No, it goes on a skid steer. So for cutting trees down. We like this haul, there's loads of stuff chopping things down. Upper track. What's powering that? Hydraulics? Must be, mustn't it?
Yeah.
Not plugged in, but obviously would be. Olly makes this, it's cat colours, it's got a cat seat, but it's got a Cummins engine and a big winch. I presume this company just custom make them with components they buy off whoever. Same with this digger, it's all got extra weight welded to the back. But they probably needed a GYS welder because it doesn't look as good as the welding that we were doing the other day. But you see, it's quite heavy, you see reaching out with that, so that's why they put extra weight under it. But this is a cat digger though, isn't it? Yeah, it's a cat digger, definitely. But it's been rebadged as a super track. It looks the same inside as ours. A 6+4 wheeler. Proper steps to get in, nice wide steps. And then we've got Peterbilt. They make big trucks. That's a serious mulcher, that, isn't it? Size that rotor. That's a beast. It's autonomous as well, and there's no cab on it. Must be remote control. A rotor and all the counter teeth. It's a fair thing, that. It looks like it's something ready to go to the moon, doesn't it? Oh, that's clever. It drills, and then it conveyor belt takes the trash away for digging long trenches. That's a cool tractor unit, isn't it? You can take your trailer with you, then crane it off. Yeah. Proper Bowser, that, isn't it? It's got a compressor as well. More stars and stripes and eyes. This, I've just touched it, is a piece of the World Trade Center. We've done a charity thing. Might have to pause it, but that's what it was for. It's pretty cool, isn't it? These are CNC tables. Plasma cutters as well. Cutting discs. It's a little bit like that Hydra dig, is it, that JCB do?
Yeah, JCB do.
But it's got a mulcher on the back.
Isn't there a European one as well?
Don't know. It's like a four-wheel steer chassis, like off a like the Merlo one, isn't it? And then mulcher on the front. Black rims. Alliance tyres. If you've got a pickup, you have a fifth wheel, put that on. It weighs about 3 ton. So you could put a 7-ton digger on it because you're allowed to tow 10 ton without another license. And that's a flatbed pickup, or you can put a skip on it and it's got a rollover sheet, or you can put a tipper body on. But yeah, you can just tow it round with your hand, just ute. That's mad, isn't it? And then it hook lift on with that winching system. It's clever, that, isn't it? So that pivots and then it rolls off on the rollers, and then it pulls it on with the winch. So it's like gravity off and pulled on, but it makes it quite light, doesn't it? Rather than having a big arm that goes over. Bigger drill bit than we saw yesterday. Got some more stars and stripes as well here on a excavator mulcher. A Timber Pro. You can eat Riesling. Digging. You digging, James? You know the birthdays, Clara?
Yeah.
Go on then. Birthday. Yeah, happy birthday, Stephen. I think it's pronounced Spong. Hayley Adams, happy Mother's Day. And then Ed Bunch is 15. So he can do his track test next year. So happy birthday, everyone on there, and also happy Mother's Day. Charlotte and my mum.
Happy birthday!
Yeah, so there we go. He's managed to work out how to work the go-kart, as has Clara. I'll leave that for the video at the end. But yeah, that's it today. I've got a red nose, it's cold outside. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Clara's worked out how to reach the pedals on the go-kart. What's up?
Yeah.
Have you crashed? Good job the battery's flat on yours, Clara.